ABC Educational Channel.
Learn English vocabulary about jobs and occupations.
Teacher. A teacher helps students learn new things.
Teacher.
Doctor. A doctor helps sick people feel better.
Doctor.
Firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires and helps keep people safe.
Firefighter.
Police officer. A police officer helps keep people safe.
Police officer.
Nurse. A nurse takes care of sick and injured people.
Nurse.
Chef. A chef prepares and cooks delicious food.
Chef.
Farmer. A farmer grows food and takes care of animals.
Farmer.
Pilot. A pilot flies an airplane and takes people to different places.
Pilot.
Mechanic. A mechanic repairs cars and machines.
Mechanic.
Construction worker. A construction worker helps build houses and buildings.
Construction worker.
Scientist. A scientist studies and discover new things.
Scientist.
Artist. An artist creates beautiful pictures and works of art.
Artist.
Gardener. A gardener takes care of plants and flowers.
Gardener.
Baker. A baker makes bread, cakes, and other baked foods.
Baker.
Truck driver. A truck driver delivers goods to different places.
Truck driver.
Dentist. A dentist helps keep our teeth healthy.
Dentist.
Astronaut. An astronaut travels into space to explore the universe.
Astronaut.
Photographer. A photographer takes picture with the camera.
Photographer.
Paramedic. Paramedic gives emergency medicals. Help people who are injured and suddenly ill.
Paramedic.
Wonderful job, kids! Today we learn about jobs and occupation in English. Every job is important because people work in different ways to help others and make our communities better. Which job would you like to have when you grow up? Keep learning, keep dreaming, and always believe in yourself.